Welcome. Let's talk about problem-based learning. I am Jadine Sonicus, student number 193342, and I'm currently studying B.Ed Foundation Phase.
And I'm Jessica Potgieter, student number 193343, and I'm studying a B.Ed Foundation Phase.
What is PBL? Problem-based learning is a learner-centered instructional approach to teaching, which means children are able to discover their own solutions to real-world issues. That means no teachers in front of the class pouring information into the children.
There are 3 different types of PBL: challenge-based or problem-based learning. The second is place-based education. And thirdly, activity-based learning.
Number 1, challenge-based or problem-based learning. Using the technology in their daily lives to solve real-world problems through their own efforts at home, in school, and in their communities.
Number 2, place-based education. Use the basic fundamentals of local heritage, cultures, landscapes, opportunities, and experiences as a foundation for the study of subjects across the curriculum, emphasizing learning through participation.
And finally, number 3, activity-based learning. Students construct their own meaning through hands-on activities, often with access to things that can be manipulated or experimented with.
Why should PBL be used in the classroom? PBL is better for long-term retention, skills development, and satisfaction for both teachers and students alike. Classes are engaging and fun, and the children develop a better understanding of the core concept due to self-discovery.
Some of the benefits of PBL include collaboration between team members efficiently, building relationships and reinforcing the wonder of learning, problem solving, real-world issues more effectively, creativity is increased, and in-depth understanding is developed.
Self-confidence is improved, critical thinking is improved, ability to overcome obstacles and adjust methods, project management skills are improved, and more engagement during the activity. Empowerment for learners to take ownership of their own learning.
Teaching strategies for teachers to use. Make the problem challenging with more than one possible solution. Create smaller goals during the process to build confidence and to keep on track. Teach them how to articulate findings. Don't be a teacher, be a coach. Define students' roles within the smaller groups. Anticipate possible questions and recommended solutions during the lesson. Decide how the students will present their findings. Ensure they have multiple resources, technology, books, and people available for research.
Learning strategies that should be taught to students. Drive your own learning. Be independent. Make use of technology and actively think about resource choices. Work as an individual and a group. Communicate. Think critically. Compromise and collaborate to solve problems. Take responsibility for yourself. Evaluate yourself ongoingly to keep on track. Ask for assistance during the discovery process if you get stuck. Present your final findings for assessment. Now to discuss a theoretical scenario. We are going to use an example of how to survive on a deserted island. What do you do? Now, to implement PBL in the classroom. Identify outcomes and assessments. Although the children are required to create a small model, remember that assessment refers to their ability to discover knowledge and not of the product itself. Design a practical scenario. Design a scenario that is both challenging and has more than one outcome. For instance, with our island question, the children need to decide whether they are going to leave the island or thrive on the island, and practical manners in which to do so. Practice with an easy stepping stone problem. Allow the children to resolve an easy, small problem. For instance, we need more space in the classroom for a carpet. Allow the children to rearrange the desks using their feet to measure and a paper to draw a blueprint. Research. The children should sit down and brainstorm. Then they need to go and find information regarding either trying to leave the island or how to build a hut using books, internet, and the like. Presenting findings. As a teacher, you can decide how the children are to present their findings, whether it be building a model raft or building a model hut. Assessment. Evaluate the group's products all together, focusing on how they work together and the knowledge that they have gained during the process. Remember, this is not about their final physical product, but rather from the knowledge they have gained.
Some useful links to explore. For further explanations of PBL, how to implement PBL, and some helpful resources. Please find the links below in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you can learn from it.